So, Heresy Thursday is once again with us, and with it comes something not entirely new, but something newly done in plastic. This week we've got the Sicaran Venator. Not really much to say about it in all honesty. It's a Sicaran chassis with a huge lascannon built into it called the Neutron Beam Laser. Very powerful and very strong. It's strength 10, AP 1, and does a whole lot of awful things to a tank, should the tank survive. It does get hot though, so be careful about that. Otherwise, yeah, it's a very fun, cute little vehicle which will bring devastation to anything in any kind of armor. Thanks for watching. What do you think of Sicaran Venator? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, I stream every day on Twitch, so if you want to catch up with me or ask me any questions, feel free to pop over there and ask me some. And if you enjoy watching these little videos or enjoy the Twitch streams, remember you can support me on Ko-fi. It means the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next week.